Let's talk about how to add an item to your catalog through the point of sale. It's really easy to do so. You'll notice on the top right of the screen a white pencil. When I tap that white pencil, it becomes a green pencil. Now you can see I've got a new button on my screen on the right-hand side that says Add Item. I tap that button, and now the system's going to ask me some important questions. For instance, does this item have a UPC code? Now let's say I'm just going to do this on the fly. I'm adding a new appetizer. So here I can go in here, and I can say cheese bites. All right, and the price for this is going to be $9. So I got my correct category, but if I wanted to add any additional information, I could change the tax, I could enable tracking inventory, anything else that you see on the screen there. And then once I'm all done, I tap the add button, and there you can see on the top left, I now have an option for cheese bites. And that's how you add an item on the fly through the point of sale.